Welcome to Trading Lounge and the US indices for Tuesday, July the 6th. Because it's obviously the holidays, the futures market's open, so we'll just quickly go through the Russell, the Nasdaq and the S&P. I won't be doing the stocks because haven't really moved. So yeah, just monitor this for a little while. So I'm bringing this for the Russell here. We're bringing this trigger for long trades down to the next high. Like I mentioned, you could probably even buy it sitting close to the current level here as well. From wave 2 to wave 3 here, we're looking for 5 waves of 1 and 2, and 3, 4, 5 here for the third wave, the fourth and the fifth. So quite a long time to go just to get to that third wave there for the Russell. Now for the S&P, it's just a 2-day chart here, but looking at all of this as wave 1 here and wave 2 here, and moving up into wave 3. See, the Russell hasn't really left sort of wave 2. It's probably started wave 3, but it hasn't made new highs just yet. And there's other markets around too, like the mid cap as well, that's lagging somewhat as well. But let's just move into the S&P here and just pick this up. So we should move along quite swiftly through all of this. So on the 4-hour chart from 1 and 2 here, we're looking going up to wave 3, so I'll drag that in over here, and we're looking for wave 1 and 2 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here for the third wave, the fourth wave and the fifth wave here for wave 3. So we're in quite a good run through here. Nice trend through here, so I don't really sort of see any problems with us moving higher in this regard. And also just on the hourly chart to break things down a little bit, so blue wave 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 and 2 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 and 2 here of this degree, and then we're going up for wave 3 here. Let me just open this up a little bit here. So from wave 2 here to wave 3 here of wave 5, we've got blue wave 1 and 2 here, and then we've got 1, 2, 3. So we'll just sharpen this up a little bit. This is what we were looking for yesterday, a little fourth wave, and then a little fifth wave to move us higher for this, so that can play out. It may even be done there, but we'll just give it a little bit more space for that. And wave 4 can pull back to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree, so just be a little bit mindful of that. Normally it's up a little bit, but yes, so just not sure if that's done yet. Could be done. Not to worry anyway, we'll see wave 4 pull back. And then wave 5 move up higher through here. So I'll just shapen this up here a little bit. It may pull up to the 4,400. That would be nice. That would make life a little bit easier. But let's just see how we go with this. And wave 4 and wave 5. So yeah, look, I really don't see any problems. This has still got further to unfold in all of this. And on the Nasdaq here as well, I've got a few counts for this, but this is sort of okay, and we can look at this one and the others, but 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 here, and then I've just been counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and this one here we can see that we've got wave 1 and 2 here, and yesterday we were looking for a little wave 4 to come into play there, so that's basically there at the moment. We can look at this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, and ABC for 4, and then going up for 5 here, and then coming back for 4. May not come down that far, but I'll just put that there anyway. And then pushing up into 15,000. I mean, that's where the psychological sort of finishing line is, but it's a medium level at that point. So we'll see a larger correction at that point, pulling back into, well, we'll see how it goes. It might be just to this point here, you know, but I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down to, we'll need to bring it down to wherever that wave 4 is. And we can also check too, I mean, this wave 4 is pulled back to this wave 4. So maybe that's the behavior. So we'll just keep an eye on all of this as well. This wave 4 may just pull back to this wave 4 here. So we'll be able to put that up. We'll be able to lift that up and so on. But in the bigger picture here, we'll be looking for a classic trading levels pattern across the 15,000. So we're not going to see that up there at that height, but somewhere in here for that. We'll just keep shaping it as we go. Be something like that. But yeah, I mean, all we need to do is just stay long. It's not a biggie, you know. I can use these little guys up here for that. Alrighty, well that's about it really. Not obviously the markets have been closed, but the futures markets sort of drift on a little bit. But yeah, just tuning it in for the next session. And like I said, when folks come back from holidays, generally speaking, we'd see the market be positive. So that's what we're looking for. That's what we're expecting. And that would be in line with the wave count. So I'll leave it at that. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.